I'm not sure you still remember the Honor 400 Pro AI image to video features that turn a static photos into a short live video. Everyone that has shown was amazed, and the best part is it's built natively in the device. Now Honor has upgraded it to version 2.0. The version 1 was already impressive, but it only works with a single photos and you didn't really have control over the final result. With AI image to video 2.0 now available on the new Honor 600 and the Honor 600 Pro, you can create videos using multiple images with audio, plus you get support for custom prompts. And if you're not sure what prompts to use, fret not, Honor has included creative templates like Magic Motion, Vision Shift, Magic Wardrobe, Animation Magic, Bullet Time, Dolly Zoom, The Embrace, and many more. Here are some AI image to video 2.0 clips generated on the Honor 600 Pro. Now I know some of you going to ask, is it free for life when you purchase the Honor 600 series? And if not, how much does it cost? The short answer is no. According to Honor Malaysia, if you purchase the Honor 600 or the Honor 600 Pro, you'll be able to generate up to 10 videos per day until 31st July 2026. After that, you'll be limited to 10 tokens per month until further notice. So, what do you think about these features? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.